Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Colorfire GeForce RTX 5060 Ti Meow graphics card. So friend, Meow is back the first Colorfire RTX 50 series graphics card. So friend, the colorful parent brand, the Colorfire, is designed to stop producing Radeon cards and shifted focus exclusive to NVIDIA RTX lineup. However, the colorful decided to bring back its backup brand using the creative product lineup such as the Meow series. And the Meow product has expanded to including case, motherboard, coolers, even mouse, and the colorful and Colorwire is now also available of a laptop featuring the signature white and orange color scheme, and the company also introduced the black and purple variant known as the Meow Shadow series. So friend, two new Colorfire RTX card including RTX 5060 Ti SKU, and there are two models because Colorfire is launching both 8GB and 16GB version through their otherwise identical and Colorfire MEOW card are non-factory overclocked, and nor do they feature custom PCB and cooler design, and they use standard 2.5 slot cooler with triple fan, and one of them featuring eye-catching orange design. Power is supplied via 8-pin single connector inside the GB206 GPU with 4608 CUDA cores, either 8GB and 16GB memory. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.